Is the return of Dogbert, and he has been shaved yet again. Hi, Dogbert. Dogbert. Who's a good boy? You're a good boy, huh? We love Dogbert, don't we, Eli?
My babies. My baby is a good bear. Please. I bet that give it down, please.
You want it down?
Yep.
You don't want to pet Dogbert?
Nope.
You don't want to pet Dogbert?
You bet that give it down.
You want down?
I bet that give it down. Bet that give it down, please. Not to get picture anymore.
Oh, you want me to put the camera down?
Oh.
Oh?
Okay, bet that give it down, please.
You want me to put the camera down?
Yep.
Please?
Please, put that camera down, please.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Dogbert.
Bye-bye, Robert.